Hey, speed freaks. Today we're putting two absolute beasts head-to-head in a battle for dominance. On one side, the Tesla Model 3 Performance, an all-electric missile with insane instant torque. On the other, the Audi RS7, a twin-turbocharged V8 monster built for raw power and relentless speed. It's the ultimate showdown: electric versus combustion, modern versus muscle, precision versus brute force. But when the lights go out, none of that matters. What matters is who crosses the finish line first. Will the Tesla's blistering acceleration leave the Audi in the dust? Or will the RS7's monstrous horsepower claw its way to victory? There's only one way to find out. Watch the video and let's get into it. The contenders, the Tesla Model 3 Performance, might look simple from the outside, but beneath its aerodynamic body lies an all-wheel drive system powered by dual electric motors. It produces an impressive 460 horsepower and 650 Newton-meters of torque. What makes it truly formidable is its ability to deliver instant power. The moment the driver steps on the accelerator, the torque hits immediately, launching the car with no delay. There are no gear shifts, no revs, just immediate and seamless acceleration. Weighing 1,839 kilograms, it's relatively lightweight for an electric vehicle, giving it an excellent power-to-weight ratio. This combination of instant torque and agility makes it a serious contender on the drag strip. On the other hand, the Audi RS7 is a true powerhouse of German engineering. It packs a massive 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, pushing out a mind-blowing 630 horsepower and 850 Newton-meters of torque. Unlike the Tesla, the RS7 takes a moment to reach its full power, but once it does, the acceleration keeps building. With quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission, the RS7 is built for both straight-line speed and top-end performance. However, at 2,065 kilograms, it carries significantly more weight than the Tesla. This could affect its ability to launch quickly, but at higher speeds, its brute force should allow it to shine. The launch, with the competitors lined up, engines roaring and electric motors humming, the stage is set for an unforgettable drag race. The tension in the air is electric. Both drivers grip their steering wheels tightly, eyes locked on the track ahead. The Tesla sits in eerie silence, its motors waiting like a coiled spring, ready to unleash instant torque. In stark contrast, the Audi RS7 growls like a beast in chains, its twin-turbo V8 sending deep, thunderous revs through the air. One is stealthy and precise, the other loud and aggressive. Two completely different machines, but only one will dominate when the pedal hits the floor. The moment the race begins, the Tesla launches like a bullet. No hesitation, no wheel spin, just pure, unfiltered acceleration. It hooks to the tarmac and instantly gains a full car length within the first 100 meters. The Audi, however, struggles for grip, its tires scrambling as launch control fights to find traction. But once it grips, the RS7 unleashes its fury, its massive V8 roaring as it begins clawing back lost ground. By the 200-meter mark, the Tesla is still ahead, but the Audi is coming in fast. Its turbochargers are fully spooled, and the V8 is now delivering its full power. The gap begins to close. The electric missile versus the combustion brute. It's a battle of acceleration versus top-end power, and it's far from over. Meanwhile, the Audi RS7 has fully come alive. This is its moment, where raw combustion power begins to flex its muscles. The 8-speed transmission fires through gear shifts with precision, allowing the RS7 to close the gap with every passing second. As they surge past 130 miles per hour, the race transforms. The Tesla, once comfortably ahead, now feels the relentless force of the RS7 creeping up beside it. The V8-powered beast isn't letting up. Its superior top-end speed and high-speed aerodynamics are in full effect. What started as an electric car's dream run is turning into a battle for survival. The Tesla still has its grip on the lead, but the question is, for how much longer? Approaching the quarter-mile marker, the intensity is at its peak. The two machines are nearly side by side, with only inches separating them. The Tesla fights to hold its ground, but the RS7 is a force that refuses to be denied. With the next mile looming ahead, the battle is only getting fiercer. Half mile. At the half-mile mark, the Tesla and Audi are now neck and neck. The Audi has officially caught up, proving that pure horsepower still matters when speeds climb higher. The Model 3 Performance, while still putting up a great fight, is now running into the limitations of electric propulsion at these speeds. It no longer has the acceleration advantage it once had, and the RS7's V8 is pushing forward with full force. By the time they hit 150 miles per hour, the Audi RS7 has pulled alongside the Tesla. The Tesla's incredible launch is now just a memory. The Audi's sheer power is taking over, allowing it to inch ahead. The Model 3 Performance is still giving it everything it has, but it's struggling to keep up as the race continues into higher speed ranges. 3/4 mile. As they blast past the 3/4 mile mark, the race takes a decisive turn. The Audi has officially taken the lead. What started as a game of catch-up has now become a showcase of pure combustion dominance. The RS7 pulls ahead by half a car length, and the gap continues to widen. Its twin-turbo V8 is doing exactly what it was built for: sustained high-speed power. The Tesla, though still fighting hard, is beginning to meet its limits. Electric motors deliver instant torque, but at these speeds they start to plateau. Conclusion. This drag race was a perfect example of how different performance philosophies can create an intense and exciting showdown. The Tesla Model 3 Performance, with its instant acceleration and smooth power delivery, is a force to be reckoned with. However, the Audi RS7, with its relentless V8 power, proved that traditional performance cars are far from obsolete. What do you think? Does the Tesla's incredible launch make it the ultimate drag strip weapon? Or does the RS7's high-speed dominance prove that combustion engines still reign supreme? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this race, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. More epic races are on the way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.